Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about delicious little dates, and I have some specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with dates. So if you're looking for some new ideas, something a little different to do with dates, hopefully this list will help you out. Now the list is very long, so I've broken it up into two parts, and this is part one. I'll have a link to part two below, so make sure you watch them both to catch the whole list. Combine dates with almond milk and almonds, bananas, and optional spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and/or vanilla. How about dates with apples, cinnamon, coconut, nutmeg, orange zest, and pecans? Dates with apples, cinnamon, and oatmeal. Yummy breakfast there. Dates with apricots and ginger. Dates with balsamic vinegar and blue cheese. Dates with bananas and coconut, as in a muesli. Dates with bananas and oats. Dates with chocolate and walnuts. Dates with coconut and nuts of your choice, any type will do. Or dates with coconut and orange. Stay tuned for part two. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.